Hello everyone, so I decided that I was going to do this one next after I open up the popcorn machine. So after the popcorn machine, we'll be jumping right into the first Lego that I just showed you. So here we have the instructions. Here's what it looks like on top. And the instructions were like this on top. So here's the instructions. Popcorn machine. Adult assembly required. So here we have boxes of candy. Gummy treats and chewy fruit candy. Here we have salt and butter. Here we have one popcorn container. Here is the other popcorn container. So now it looks like this, because everything was right here. So it looked like this as I showed it to you, like that. So now we move those out. This is what we got. I'm actually going to bring you guys a little bit down lower so you guys can see everything. Okay. So it opens up like this. Here we have a couple pieces of popcorn. It's yummy. Doesn't it look yummy? Like you just eat it? It's not edible though, so don't eat it. I don't recommend that. 2 separate drinks. Very cute. And now you have what looks like this. So this looks up this way. Oh my goodness. Okay. See if I can get you guys closer so you guys can see what I'm looking at, because now it's a slim, tight area. There's some tight. Okay. Now we have what looks like that. Yes, I will be keeping this box. It's not going in the garbage. And here we have the popcorn maker. It actually really does spin. I'm not sure if you can see it real good in the plastic, but it does spin. Whee! Okay, and we'll take out the big piece first. What? Okay, I just literally just pulled this out, and now it looks like I don't know what on the glass part. So just give me a second. I want to see if I can clean it, or if that will even come off. Because if not, I have to drive all the way out there for the darn popcorn machine. Because I refuse to pay for stinking shipping. Even when something is defective, they want you to actually pay for it now, which is ridiculous. Because when you want something, you expect it to be good, not where it's not good. You know, this is like baloney. They charge you an arm and a leg for stuff like this. And then you get it home, you check it out, you know, you pull it out of the plastic, and then the unthinkable just happens to appear and come about. Which isn't right. I mean, it should not be this way. I mean, it is ridiculous. It's stupid. Because they want you to buy it in other retail stores. But here's what you gotta know. If you didn't buy it through American Girl, sorry to say, but you're gonna be out of luck. Because they want you to drive all the way out there and whatever. Okay, so here's the thing that spins. And that's to get the popcorn out. These two little sections here is just so you could use these to put inside, which I'll show you how to do that. I'm probably going to have to bring you guys closer so y'all can see. Okay. So here's the thing that spins. I'm doing it slow so you guys can see. Okay. So you got the general idea there. You open up the door. Well, it's shut on me, but stay open. Got like a little fuzz that doesn't want to come off of me. Okay, so these have a little bit of weight to them. They're not like heavy, like you can't lift it, but it does have weight. So it is pretty, you know, pretty crazy. So, kind of have to figure out how to put it in there to make it look right, as if they've been cut to fit in. So there's what it looks like in its place. Let me make sure I did it the right way though. Or which way I think it looks better. That's what I'm trying to do to see which way it looks better. All I'm trying to do is just see which way looks better. Because I've been eyeing this thing for a long time. And everybody knows it too. I've been waiting for this thing for some time. Because I'm not sure why, but I'm not getting in the right way. Okay, there we go. So then you just put it in there and popcorn is making. Okay, and then take this, hold it. You're probably wondering, like, what am I doing? I'm actually putting it the way it was inside the box, like how it was. Just because it's a me thing. I don't know why. I just, yeah. Okay, well, the cup was ready to come out. Not sure why that. Like I said, I don't know if somebody actually was playing with this set and they didn't care, so whatever. But it still doesn't make it right, though, because it's frustrating. So, I'm going to put the cups on the bottom of the thing. You'll see it in a second. Like this, my hair is supposed to be like this, where you open it up. Not where it just slides out of the baggie. You see how I'm putting this all together in just a second. Stay down. So far, everything's fitting in underneath the container, so that's a good thing. That's how I wanted it. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. I'm sorry. If you don't want to see all the little things coming out of the bag individually, go ahead and just fast forward. Okay, so here's what the container looks like. So on the bottom of this, well, I thought I was getting it, and now I'm not. So if you want to have more space, and you just want to store things in this little bottom thing, take the cups inside the popcorn thingy-doos here, like that, just so it can be stored if you want it that way. And then you can put the little things around it. That way it's all in one place and not scattered everywhere. That irritates me the most is when things are scattered and you can't fit everything in there. Okay, really, American Girl, you should actually have it where, well, you know what, that probably is why they have this on top. Because that's where they usually put the other stuff at, is on top of here. But I like to keep it at least down here so I can keep it nice. So we'll try that and see how that goes. So we'll just try that out and see where we go from there. The box treats, there's nothing in there, it's just boxes. These are easy to get smushed. I was going to open them, but I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like because it's going to be the same thing. I'm actually going to keep these like this and just put it back in the box, which will look like this. It's just so that way I can have everything together and it's not just everywhere and losing anything. I don't lose nothing, but I just don't want to have no accidents. It's bad enough that my cousin did some stuff to me, and that was no fun. What was that? Merry Christmas from Kohl's. Interesting. Those of you that don't know, retail stores are usually closed, just so you all know. So here's how you would fit everything in. And you just close the door. So that's how you would be able to store everything instead of putting things here on top like you could. If you want it to be nice and neat and everything, there you go. So here's the popcorn maker. I'll be showing this to my family here in just a second, just so they can see it too, which is pretty cool. Okay, while I'm here, I was looking at something here real quick. Sorry if I paused. So I want to open this real quick. I like to be careful with these two. I like to be gentle. I don't know why. I just do. And here are the other dolls that you can find. This is the one that I have. That's right here. This is her. So those are different ones. Those of you that wanted to see it. I'll see what other Lego dolls you can get. This is from Series 2. There is a Series 1. So here's how everything looks inside. So it's just like opening American Girl doll, except you're opening the Lego. And yes, just because she is part of Lego, I am going to put her instructions somewhere. At least one of the boxes or something. So I'm taking her out. And there's what she looks like. Here, I can raise this up some, so that way you guys are not looking completely down. So here's what she looks like. Isn't she a cutie? I like her. So, if you want to see what she looks like with different color hair, we can do that also. But she's still a cutie. Oh, focus. Oh, come on, focus. There we go. Okay, it's going better. She is a cutie. So I do like her in the blonde hair. But she's still cute though, either her hair color and hair shape. Still a cutie. So there she is with her blonde ponytail again. So that's what she looks like. She's so cute. And I'm going to put her on her stand. And in the meantime, she can just hold on to her hair. Oh, whoops. I dropped it. At least it didn't go rolling off too far. But I am going to keep this as back piece to the cardboard thing. Just that way I know that this is the one that went to her. Okay, so this is garbage. And this can go together. Okay, so since you saw that, I'm going to stop the video here and we're going to start opening this one. See you guys in a bit.